Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we are checking out two VR accessories for your Meta Quest 3 headset. This is the RGB Vertical Charging Stand and Single Point Charging Battery Head Strap for the Quest 3, made by Kiwi Design. The combo themselves retail for $206 on the Kiwi Design website. That gives you a discount of $14 instead of purchasing them separately from their website. If you use my promo code Brian Sloan, all capital letters, you can get 5% off of that price as well. In this one, I'm going to go through why they are selling this combo and the pros of having it here. Let's jump into it. Alright, so here's the box. Super excited about this one. You can see right at the top there it says made for Meta. Kiwi Design has partnered with Meta officially on this one, so this is pretty exciting for them. So this one we have the RGB vertical stand. It's got the charging port on there. I'm excited to talk about this one today. Let's get this one opened up and we'll go through it. We'll go through what's inside and how to assemble it. At the very top of the box, it has the instructions for how to assemble it. So here we are unboxing it. I'm not going to say every piece that's coming out. I'm going to explain it as we go through, but needless to say, it's packaged very nicely in there, and I'm excited to put this one together for you. Okay, so I'm going to start with just the base here. Now on your base, you can take the first stand piece, kind of the tower piece of it. Make sure that's centered there so you can see it. You can see where that just slides right in. You could hear it clip right in. Nice and secure in there for you. I'm going to take our stand piece next. This has a plastic film on it. You can just remove that off. You can feel it's a little bit anti-slip material. Not super, but it is. And you can see here we got 3 lines there and 3 lines on our little stand. It's going to thread itself right in. Nice and solid. It's clipping in there nice and good. Then we have the top pieces here as well. Now for the top pieces, this one's got a little piece of plastic on it, so we're going to take that off. Your top pieces here, they're going to go together first. They slide together and clip right there, as you heard. Nice and solid. And the bigger side there is going to go right on top. You'll see there's a spot for it right there. It clips right into place there. So there you go. You can see at the back here, the USB-C port is right at the back there. And that lines up with the part on the other side where you clip that in. Here in this little bag, we're going to open this up. This is our little charging cord. You can see it's very flexible, very movable. Flimsy is not the right word for it. It's movable, it's flexible. It's easy for you to adjust and charge things for you. So that plugs in right on the side there. You can see where that goes in. Gonna plug that in. And then you're good to go. This little top piece comes off. Clips magnetically back on. There might be a use for that later, we'll see. And that is adjustable depending on what kind of headset you have and the height that you need it to go to. Alright, here we have the nice box there. It shows you what's inside. Let's take this out and let's install it here. So on the top there, that's where they always have their directions right on the inside of the box. Saves on some instructions there, which is nice. But they also have on the inside of this their user manual. And in the user manual, they also give the instructions there. So I guess it doesn't save on anything there. In here, you'll also find this little clip here. And this little clip is going to be used on the side of the headset to hold the cords later on. I'll show you how to use that. And now we have our nice head strap here. So the Kiwi Design padding is really nice. So this is that leather material there, easy to clean, easy to wipe off. Nice and thick padding. I like how they always come with microfiber cloth. Clean off your lenses if you need to. Alright. So if you have the battery head strap, or if you've used a Kiwi Design strap before, their battery straps are a bit wide there. and a bit big. They have the charging port on the top there with the number of lights there to show how much it is charged. We'll see once we plug it in. We got our nice knob here for increasing and decreasing that size. But let's get into assembling this. So I'm going to take our back pad here and make sure the Kiwi Design logo is up for the top. We got the top on this side, and you're just going to push it in, and you could hear it clip in there and on the other side there. So we're good to go. So I've already detached the head strap I was using before, and the head strap I actually had on there before was just the regular battery strap, not the SPC one. So to install this, I'm going to get that one released. I'm going to take off my facial interface by just pinching the top and the bottom there and the sides. Just move that off to the side there for a minute. I'm going to take this and just feed it through here. And I can adjust this later. I'm just going to put it to about there. Then I'm going to replace the facial interface. There we go. And now we'll attach excuse me, the side clips here. So usually what I do when I'm attaching side clips, I'll just start at the bottom here and put pressure towards the top, and there we go. You can see it clipped right in. So again, start at the bottom there, work my way towards the top, clips right in. Now it can be adjusted as you wish. That's the basics of setting it. Now we're going to attach our little cord holder here. So I'm going to pull that right to the top there. This is going to go right on the side. That top part will pinch down, this will pinch underneath, and now our cord holder is attached right on the side. You can open this up. This can be put right inside here. Clip down. Now it's got a place to go so you're not just losing it. Okay, so here we have the two together here. You can see this is on top here. If you want to see my full review about the head strap with a try-on and everything, or just the stand itself, I'll link both of those videos below where you can find those separate ones. I'm just going to talk about the combo here mainly. So it's a nice sleek design. You can see here we have the head strap right on top there. It fits on very nicely. Controllers will fit in the side here. I'm not putting them on here because I want to talk more about the head strap. So on the side here is our little charging cable. Now by default it will have this piece on top, but with this combo you can take that off, and you'll notice that on the bottom of your SPC strap you have this extra little piece here, and that's the whole point of this. Okay, when that's plugged in, this is going to automatically connect over here to this, and what that is going to do is that's going to allow your head strap and your headset to charge at the same time. So instead of having to charge them separately, have a different cord running to the back here, this is going to do them both at the same time, save you a lot of hassle, be very, very convenient for you. So if you're planning to get this stand or this head strap, you get the other one as well. It's going to be much more convenient for charging. You can honestly just, set it down, place it on there. That's going to connect right to it, and both are going to be charged for you right away. So you're not worried about having to charge them, maybe forgetting to charge one of them. You're doing them both at the same time. You're going to get 6 hours of gameplay between the two of them, be able to play for a long time. Great combination. Kiwi Design really nailed it with this one. So again, if you want to use my promo code Brian Sloan, all capital letters, that'll get you 5% off on the Kiwi website. Thank you for watching this one. We'll see you next time on Brian Sloan Artist.